automatic ice and water dispenser, environment sensor, home bar, magic cool zone, deodorizer, powerful compressor, automatic ice and water dispenser. Now no need to open your refrigerator to get water and ice cubes. Your side-by-side refrigerator directly connects with your RO and serves fresh and cool water to you without opening its door. Perfect friend in party time. Environment sensor. VIDEOCON's side-by-side refrigerator comes with an inbuilt smart sensor which receives information from surroundings and use it to control the cooling cycle of the refrigerator. Home bar. Its convenient location gives you easy access to your favorite drinks and also prevents it from losing its taste furthermore. It also adds up to your style quotient. Magic Cool Zone. Side-by-side refrigerator Magic Cool Zone is dedicated for frozen products and other food items like milk, butter, raw meat, fish, etc. It also helps in keeping the food items at a defined temperature. Deodorizer. Deodorizer eliminates the bad odor inside the refrigerator. It prevents the mixing of different odors released from different food items and helps maintain fresh aroma and flavors of your favorite cuisine. Powerful compressor. This highly efficient and powerful compressor is designed to provide an effective cooling cycle.